Welcome cave dwellers, welcome to my channel, The Man Cave Hobbies. It's here. So it took about 3 days to arrive, which wasn't bad really. This is the Commodore VC20, which is a VIC-20, and I only paid £20 for it off eBay. No idea if it works, no idea the condition of it really, because you can't really tell through photographs, but shall we open it, do the unboxing, have a look at it, what the condition is, and right then, it's well packed. And here we go. Wow, this is so cool. So let's open it. Certainly needs retro brighting. Right then, let's start with the tape recorder, the data recorder. Like I say, I've got no idea if this works or not, so it was just like 20 quid, I might as well go for it. So that's a tape recorder, the data recorder, sorry. It ejects fine, definitely wants retro brighting and cleaning. Pretty cool. I don't know how much those are go for, but I reckon the original Commodore, don't say. So this was made in 1989. So pretty cool. So that's the recorder. As you can see in the recorder, it's data recorder. What's out? So we've got a TV lead, but I won't be using this. I'll use the AV from my Commodore 64. What else have we got here? Archimedes PC emulator. Wow, didn't know that. That's Acorn. Got some games. So we've got Vic Pack 1. I don't know what that is. We've got Blitz VIC-20. Super cool. We've got Bewitched VIC-20. And the last one, we've got another Bewitched VIC-20. And oh, it's a double-sided one. So Bewitched on that side and Wacky Waiters on that side. So pretty cool. Right then, so coming to the main attraction, definitely wants cleaning and retro brighting. The F1 key's missing, but I 3D printed one, so it definitely wants a good clean and retro brighting, but it'll get done. So that's the Commodore VC20, which is back in 1980 was made for the German market. As you all might know, that they couldn't release the Commodore VIC-20, as in like VIC, into the German market because Vic sounded like the F word. So what they did, old Jack said, let's drop the I and call it the VC20. So yeah, so here it is, the VC20. So what I'm going to do now is give it a quick check and see if everything's alright, and then I'll probably turn it on and see if I get a picture. So for now, thanks for watching, I'll catch you later.